I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 10 of English, and the name of the chapter is Kind of Adverbs. So इस chapter में हम लोग adverbs के kinds के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं. So let's begin. Adverbs can be studied under three heads. ये adverbs जो हैं उन्हें हम three heads के अंदर पढ़ सकते हैं. So the very first is simple adverbs, interrogative adverbs, and the relative adverbs, right? So the very first, let's read about the simple adverbs now. Simple adverbs perform several functions providing different kinds of information about the action described in a sentence. तो simple adverbs जो है वो एक several functions को perform करते हैं by providing different kind of information. वो हमें अलग अलग तरीके की information provide करते हैं जो भी action sentence में describe किया जा रहा है उसके बारे में. First we have adverbs of time. Now what are adverbs of time? Adverbs of time answer the questions well. The most commonly used time adverbs are before, after, now, then, ago, today, tomorrow, immediately, etc. तो adverbs of time यानी कि adverbs of time जो है वो हमें क्वेश्चन का आंसर देते हैं अगर हम पूछे कब, राइट? तो ये हमें एक्चुअली टाइम के बारे में बताते हैं कि कोई भी एक्शन जो है वो किस टाइम किया जा रहा है, राइट? सो जैसे कि बिफोर, आफ्टर, नाउ, देन, अगो, टुडे, टुमारो, इमीडिएटली, एटसेट्रा. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस. नाउ व्हाट आर एडवर्ब्स ऑफ प्लेस? So adverbs of place answer the question where. The commonly used place adverbs are here, there, above, below, in, out, far, near and etc. तो adverbs of place हमें बताते हैं कि कोई भी action कहाँ perform किया जा रहा है, right? They answer the question where. Where is the action being done? So the common adverbs of place are here, there, above, below, in, out, far and near, etc. Right? After that, the next thing that we have is number on frequency adverbs. So here we have number on frequency adverbs. So ये adverbs हमें क्या बताते हैं? These adverbs tell how often. Some commonly used frequency adverbs are once, twice, often, always, never, firstly, secondly, etc. Right? कि ये adverbs हमें बताते हैं कितनी बार, right? Some commonly used frequency adverbs, कुछ commonly frequency adverbs जो हम use करते हैं, they are once, twice, often, always, never, firstly, secondly, etc. Right? Next up we have adverbs of manner. Now what are adverbs of manner? So adverbs of manner answer the question how. Most commonly used adverbs of manner are easily, well, ill, badly, slowly, softly, timidly, etc. तो adverbs of manner जो है वो हमें इस question का answer देती हैं how, right? If we are asking that how the action is being done, then we used to have the adverbs of manner, right? तो कुछ commonly adverbs of manner use होने वाले words हैं easily, well, ill, badly, slowly, swiftly, timidly, etc. After that, next we have adverb of reason. तो अब adverb of reasons क्या है, right? So these adverbs answer the question why. For example, therefore, thus, hence, etc. तो ये एडवर्ब्स हमें आंसर करते हैं कि कोई भी चीज क्यों की जा रही है, कोई भी एक्शन क्यों परफॉर्म किया जा रहा है, राइट? सो एग्जांपल्स के लिए therefore, thus, hence ये सभी एडवर्ब्स ऑफ रीजन के एग्जांपल्स हैं. आफ्टर दैट द नेक्स्ट इज एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री और क्वांटिटी. अब एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री और क्वांटिटी क्या है? द एडवर्ब्स हाउ मच और हाउ फार अबाउट एन एक्शन और थिंग. तो ये एडवर्ब्स हमें बताते हैं कितना या फिर कितनी दूर अबाउट एन एक्शन और थिंग है, राइट? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्वाइट, वेरी, मच, पार्टली, हाफ, अ लिटिल, टू, एटसेट्रा. ये सभी कुछ कॉमनली यूज होने वाले एडवर्ब्स ऑफ डिग्री या फिर क्वांटिटी है। नेक्स्ट इज द एडवर्ब ऑफ affirmative और negation adverbs। अब ये affirmative और negative adverbs क्या हैं? The adverbs affirm or neglect an action, opinion, suggestion, etc. तो ये adverbs कुछ affirm या फिर neglect करती हैं किसी action को, opinion को, suggestion को, etc. Right? जैसे कि example है yes, not, no, certainly, not at all, by no means, of course। ये सभी कुछ ना कुछ examples हैं affirmative या फिर negation adverbs। Now we have interrogative adverbs। अब ये interrogative adverbs कौन से हैं? So adverbs that are used for asking questions are called interrogative। Simply जो adverbs हम question पूछने के लिए use करते हैं they are known as the interrogative adverbs। जैसे कि adverbs of time, when will you go? How long will he stay here? Same goes with the adverbs of place. Where does she go? Same goes with the adverbs of number. How often will you ask this question? Adverbs of manner. How could she solve this problem? How shall we do? How shall we do? Degree of quantity or quantity adverb. How tall is your brother? Or how far can I trust you? Next up, we have the adverb of reason or cause. Why should they act like this? What for does he shout? Right? So, all these are the examples of the interrogative adverbs. After that, the next kind that we have is the relative adverbs. So, relative adverbs are the same as the interrogative adverbs. कि relative adverbs जो है वो बिल्कुल सेम होते हैं interrogative adverbs की तरह। How? The only difference is that latter are used to ask questions while the former are used to join sentences even as they indicate time, place, reason or manner of an action। कि इन दोनों में अंतर सिर्फ इतना सा है कि जो words हैं जैसे कि why, what, how ये सब ही क्वेश्चंस पूछने के लिए यूज किए जाते हैं इंटेरोगेटिव एडवर्ब्स और वहीं यही सेम वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं टू कनेक्ट द टू सेंटेंसेस क्योंकि ये भी हमें टाइम, प्लेस, रीजन और मैनर एक्शन का बताते हैं। जैसे कि एग्जांपल है डू यू नो द रीजन व्हाई ही कम्स लेट? दिस इज द होटल वेयर दे हैड। सो दैट वाज ऑल अबाउट द चैप्टर। I hope you all are clear about the adverbs and the kinds of adverbs. So that was all for this. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.